Hi, hope you guys doing well. I'm just going to talking about this issue when someone searching their site name on Google search bar and uh, this search page showing this result that is untitled and the description is for something that not relevant to this website. So how we can solve this issue? We have multiple option that we can solve the issue, but I'm going to show you how you can do your WordPress or cpanel WordPress website or any other website that can be managed from cpanel. First of all, you need to log in on your website dashboard. As I'm logging to my site dashboard, then you can if you use any plugin SEO plugin, then you can use them, but I already used them and it's not working though. So that's why just trying with the plugin. I have already tried the last day and it didn't work, so I'm just going to update the title as well from this plugin. Okay, cool. I just updated the description and meta title, and I'm just going to save it. And as I told you, this not gonna going to solve this issue. So I'm going to add the meta tag into the header.php file, and you can do it from your WordPress. You can do it from this appearance, then theme file editor. Then choose your theme from here, and you have to find the header.php file, and I can do from here, but I am not going to do from here as I have cpanel access, and I wish to go with cpanel. After you log in your cpanel, then you have to click on the file manager. Then you will see the htaccess file. If you don't get this htaccess file, then go to settings, then tick mark this show hidden files and save it. Then you will able to access this file, and right click on it and click on edit. Then you will be able to edit this file. So what you need to do, you have to go wp content, then themes, then your active theme. Then you will find here a header.php. Just click on this and edit. Then you have to go this website seooptimize.com, and you have to put your meta title and description. And for now I am going to put my meta title. I'm just copying it from here. Here is the title, and here is the description, and leave this as a blank because I already added the keyword. So just generate the tag, and you will be able to see the tag here. So I am just going to copy this tag, and you can copy from this button, and from the header.php file you have to find this head tag. uh, After the head tag, just put some space by pressing enter, then put this code there. Just ensure that you have removed this keyword tag. For myself, I'm just going to remove this, and I'm just gonna update this. So let's see how it looks like. So after that, I'm just going to refresh my web pages, and it changed. I just need to edit my description, so I'm going to edit it via legacy editor. So I just enable the legacy editor, and here is the beginning of the description, and here is the end. I'm just going to paste my description. So it's done. I'm just going to save it again, and refresh the pages again, and it's work it's added. So it's updated. So right now if I search it, it won't be updated today, because Google takes some times, I think 24 hours to 48 8 hours, or also they can take 5 days, 3 days also. So update this title. So let's see, I will get back to you after 24 or 48 hours later. So if it's all, then hope uh, if you like this video, and just like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Hi guys, hope you are doing well. I just got back and checked the site on Google, and it just solved the issues. So I thought it will take 24 hours to 72 hours, but some days nowadays Google taking too much time for updating a website meta title or meta description. So this is happening to old site. When you submit the website first time, then you don't face this type of issue. But when your site is abandoned for a few months or few days, then if Google calls this time your website, uh, uh, then this issue will come. So lots of time, if you don't update your website, and if you are not if you not work on your website, then this time Google crawl your site, and they see there is a blank title or description, then it will crawl them and show them as it untitled and description, non no description there, like that. So as I show you, there is a different method we can solve this issue. And now if I search this site again on search page, then we can see the description and the title here. So this is the way we can fix them. And as I mentioned it, that Google will take too much time for getting index the site. And if you using rank math, so there is a chance to get index the site shortly, because Yoast plugin don't use any instant index API, but rank math use instant indexing API. So there is a huge chance to get your site index fastly with rank math. So that's all. Hope you are guys enjoy this video. If you really enjoy this video, just press like and subscribe my channel, so that you can get notified fastly any update of related to website SEO and digital marketing related videos. Thank you so much for having watching this video.